Look at this cave tunnel. Oh. Yan, may mini adventure kami. Jackie? Stay. Yeah, tuksan natin ang ilaw. Ano to? 150 meters to itong tunnel na to. And obviously, kailangan mo ng ilaw. But you can see the end of the tunnel right away. So, walang problem. Hindi ka kakabahan. Jorge, you look from time to time if there's gold. Patayin ko yung ilaw para mas maganda ang effect. Yan. Problema, hindi mo kita yung daanan. So, yan.